Welcome. We will start with some basic questions and then go in detail. First question: what is IQ or installation qualification and what are the key qualification stages? IQ is performed to confirm correct installation on site. Other key qualification stages are URS, user requirement specification, DQ, design qualification, FAT, that is factory acceptance test, SAT, that is site acceptance test, OQ, operational qualification, and PQ, performance qualification. What is installation qualification or IQ? IQ is the documented verification that equipment or a system is received, installed, and configured according to approved design specifications and manufacturer recommendations. Which guideline define IQ requirements? The guidelines which defines IQ requirements are ICH Q7 WHO TRS, that is Technical Report Series, UGMP Annex 15, and FDA's guidance on process validation. Which documents are commonly verified during installation qualification? Equipment manuals, P&ID diagrams or engineering drawings, calibration certificates, material of construction, that is MOC certificates, and vendor qualification documents are the documents that are very commonly referred or verified during installation qualification. What activities are performed during IQ or installation qualification? Verification of equipment installation, utilities connections, calibration status, material of construction, and presence of safety features. Who is responsible for performing IQ or installation qualification? Typically, the validation or qualification team with support from engineering and quality assurance, that is QA. Which SOPs are commonly identified during installation qualification? SOPs that are very commonly identified during installation qualification are Equipment Operation SOP, Preventive Maintenance SOP, Calibration SOP, Cleaning and Sanitation SOP, and Safety and Emergency SOP. What should be checked regarding utilities in IQ? Proper connection and supply of electricity, water, compressed air, steam, HVAC, that is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or other required utilities. How MOC verification is performed during installation qualification process. MOC verification is done by review of vendor certificates, cross-check with URS or drawings, physical inspection, test reports if applicable, and documentation and approval. What calibration requirements are verified during IQ? Instruments and sensors, for example, pressure gauges, temperature probes, must have a valid calibration certificates traceable to national standards. What type of documentation is produced after IQ? IQ protocol, completed test records, deviation reports if any, and an IQ summary report. Which drawings are generally verified during installation qualification? Piping and instrumentation diagram, that is P and ID diagram, general arrangement, that is GA drawing, electrical and wiring diagram, utility distribution drawing, and HVAC layout or clean room drawings. What happens if installation deviations are found during IQ? Deviations are documented, investigated, corrected, and closed before proceeding to operational qualification, that is OQ. Very frequently asked and very important question: what are the five key steps in installation qualification process? Step 1: documentation review. Here we verify vendor documents, manuals, drawings, and certificates. Step 2: equipment verification. Here we check model, make, tag number, and specifications versus URS. Step 3: utility connections. Here we confirm installation of utilities like power, water, HVAC, and compressed air. Step 4: calibration and instrumentation. Here we verify calibration of instruments, gauges, and sensors. Step 5: compliance and record. Here we record installation checklist, deviations, and obtain approvals. What is the role of spare parts and accessories in IQ? Verification that all required parts, manuals, and accessories are delivered and installed as per equipment specifications. How is equipment identification handled in IQ? Each equipment or system must be tagged with a unique identification number for traceability. Which verification points are commonly included in the installation qualification? First, equipment identification. Here we verify name, model, serial number, and tag number. Second, installation checks. Here we confirm location, orientation, leveling, and anchoring. Third, utility connections. Here we verify power, water, air, steam, and HVAC connections. Fourth, instrumentation and calibration. Here we check gauges, sensors, alarms, and calibration certificates. Fifth, documentation verification. Here we confirm manuals, drawings, vendor certificates, and SOPs. Can IQ be executed without vendor support? The right answer is yes, but vendor involvement is recommended to ensure correct installation and to confirm compliance with manufacturer specifications. What is the acceptance criteria for IQ completion? All installation checks must comply with approved specifications and deviations must be resolved before moving to OQ, that is operational qualification. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.